can't believe I'm sharing this with you. The first 10K skill that you can do is social media management. Imagine you are owning a social media management agency. What would that look like? Starting a social media agency can be super profitable when you help other business owners manage their time effectively and get their product or service in front of millions of people. In general, social media is such a powerful tool for businesses, but managing multiple accounts and staying up to date every single day with the latest trends can be super time consuming. But how much can you actually make with that? So you can make between 3 to 5K if you are just yourself. If you actually hire other people, you can make much more, but starting out with zero experience, this is what you will be making. So where do you even start? So I want you to create an account on the platform called Upwork. That's where a lot of businesses look for talent when they're just starting out. So this is a great opportunity for you to actually land your first client. But what do you need to do to land a job quickly? The first thing would be you need to be really good at marketing, or at least understanding the fundamentals. And you need to be really good at copywriting, or at least understand the fundamentals. And then you also always want to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies and tools to stay ahead of the game. That's what business owners really love. So when you are in an interview with them, mention that you're always checking out the newest trends and the newest tools for social media. And here are the books that I recommend you start out with if you want to get into this. The books that I recommend for learning copywriting are, the first one is Phrases That Sell. And the second book I recommend that you should read to learn more about marketing and the psychology is Sell Like Crazy. The next skill that makes you 10K a month is actually a Reels agency. So what if you would start a Reel agency? How would that look like? As you already know, Reels are a new feature on Instagram and allows users to create and share short, fun videos. Many businesses are now using Reels to promote their products or services. Starting a Reel agency can be a great business idea, as you can help businesses create engaging Reels content and reach a wider audience that in turn will help them sell more of their products or services. So how much can you actually make with this type of business? You can make between 5 and 25K a month. And what do you actually need to learn to start with this skill? First of all, you need to be really good at video editing, or you need to know someone who is. Secondly, you always need to know and watch the newest trends on all platforms, because business owners are gonna hire you to create more engagement for them and get more followers or get more services sold. So you need to understand the newest trends and what works on each platform. Then you also need to know sales and marketing. Here I recommend to read the books Influence, Sell Like Crazy, and 10X Secrets by Russell Brunson. Write them down right now. The next 10K skill is becoming a high-ticket sales closer. And what does that even look like? It is basically you talking to other people and selling someone else's products and getting paid on commission. And this is very lucrative, because if you're in high ticket sales, you gotta sell a 5K package, and per every sale, you'll probably make $200, $300. And if you have 5 or 10 calls a day, you'll probably make over $500 every single day. So how much can this make you when you're starting out? Between 5 and 25K. What also really excites me about this is that you will learn all the fundamentals of sales so that you can implement what you learned with this skill in your own business later on, because you always need sales. So where do you start learning this skill if you have no idea how to do it? It doesn't cost you anything. So my first suggestion would be go on YouTube, learn about high ticket sales, what it means. Google about the psychology of sales, maybe Google sales scripts. Then the other suggestion is to actually take a paid course with Cole Gordon or Jeremy Lee Minor. They are amazing, like literally my biggest idols in sales, and pay them to teach you, but they also give you a guaranteed job after you've gone through the whole program. I have a few of my best sales closers from them actually, so I know he's solid, and you're learning a skill that helps you for life to make money. If you don't want to spend any money on any program yet, here are my top books that you need to start reading to start getting into sales and applying for sales roles. To understand sales and human psychology, you should start out reading The Ultimate Sales Machine by Chet Holmes. Then you should read Exactly What to Say. then you should also read Spin Selling by Neil Rackman. And the fourth is Secrets of Closing the Sale. It's by Zig Ziglar. And the last one is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I can't wait to share the last one. It's my absolute favorite and nobody is doing it right now, so there's massive opportunity. So make sure you stay till the very end where I reveal the secret skill and also show you step by step how you can start this skill today and make 10K easily. But before I do so, let's look at the next business idea. The fourth skill to start as any beginner that has no capital to invest and no knowledge is becoming a virtual assistant. So what would that look like? So if you would be a virtual assistant, you would do tasks such as technical support, email support, administrative tasks, creative tasks like booking flight tickets for your client or trips. So the burning question is, how much can you make with that? So as a complete beginner, you're probably gonna start out on the lower end, 2 to 5K a month, which is still not bad. Thinking about, you can literally be anywhere in the world. You can be in Bali, you can be in Thailand. You can literally be anywhere and do this. And let's be honest, it's much better than scrubbing the bathroom floors in your waitressing job. So where do you start with this? So I want you, again, to write down right now, Upwork. Create an account on Upwork. That's where most businesses look for virtual assistants. Second thing is that I really love about this is that you learn from business owners how they run their business, because you're basically the right hand of the person you're working with. So you learn these skills that help you later on scale your business or move into much higher paying job. Now, how do you learn about Upwork and in general being a virtual assistant? So that's absolutely free. There's tons of valuable resources on YouTube. So just click your way through YouTube, how to be a virtual assistant, how to set up my Upwork account. Do that right now. It's completely free. And I know a lot of people that I help with this actually went through just YouTube to set that up and got a job instantly. So the next 10K skill, I'm so excited, is funnel/conversion design. So what would being a conversion/funnel designer even look like? So on a daily basis, you would just work with clients, talk to them, and design them beautiful websites that actually convert more clients. You usually work with coaches in various industries like fitness, health, yoga, retreats, real estate, make money online niche. All of these people could be your clientele, and you will help them make more money by helping them optimize the way they get prospects from not knowing who they are to, oh my God, like I need this product. Now, how much can you even make with this skill? So you can make 10 to 25K depending on how many clients you take on. Usually you can charge 3K per website, but if you add on your conversion design, you can charge up to 8K per client. For example, Emily was making 40K in her first 6 months working just with 3 clients. So what do you need to learn this skill? You first need to know what is web design, or you are able to even design something on maybe WordPress or Framer. Then the second tip is find out on YouTube what a funnel even is. And then you also want to find out what conversion even is in the online marketing space. And lastly, like I promised, I will give you a free step-by-step training on how you can start becoming a conversion designer or funnel designer today and make 10K a month instantly. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, DM me ready, and I'll send you training on becoming a conversion designer from scratch. Just make sure you're quick because I only have 9 invites left. Yay, we're done. So comment below. I'm super curious. What business model or business idea resonates the most with you? Which ones do you want to try? I'm an open book, and if you like this video, share this with a friend that hates their 9-to-5 and really needs to get out of his comfort zone and start his own business. Yo, my name is Jenny, and on this channel I help business owners to scale from $0 to $1 million a month, and I set myself a challenge to grow my own personal business from $100K to $1 million a month in the next 12 months, and I'll take you along on that journey. I literally made it my mission to prove the haters that success is not luck. I'm sharing my own personal journey with you every Sunday, 6 p.m. PST, with a new video with no bullshit strategies that you can use. So if you want to be a victim and get crushed by your competitors, don't even think about subscribing. This channel is for winners only.